Bitcoin is right now creating this bull flag pattern after we got this beautiful breakout yesterday evening outside of this rising wedge. But do not get fooled, do not get trapped, because yesterday night we exactly hit our take profit area that we discussed for many times on our channel, and I also shared in my free Telegram channel. And after that, we are right now creating this bearish divergence on the daily time frame as well. We are creating a huge CME gap. So we need to be talking about that exactly. Are we going to be continuing our trend right here? Are we going to be continuing our pump? Or is this just a trap? Ethereum is breaking out on a weekly time frame. So we have a lot of things to actually discuss in this update video. So without any further ado, let's have a look into what's that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that once again we have beautifully been predicting the imminent short term price action, because literally right over here we have not only exactly predicted all of these pattern breakouts, this previous resistance right now flipping in towards support, all of that, but also before that we have been buying up every single dip right here and been getting cautious on every single top. Now once again I do want to be getting a little bit more cautious on this top right here, because potentially I do think we can be seeing some kind of a correction and maybe some kind of a cool off consolidation period. Yes, we are creating this bull flag pattern, and yes, we are creating a lot of momentum towards the upside. So definitely, potentially, if we were to be breaking this one out with a successful breakout towards the upside, well, definitely we do have that price target all the way up towards the 40.3k level. But in my opinion, I am just guessing right here. I do think a scenario like this would be way more likely, that we are going to be creating some kind of a bearish divergence if we were to be breaking out this one towards the upside, and because of that bearish divergence we will be seeing a greater correction back towards the downside. I will be explaining exactly why I do think so. But first of all, I want to go ahead and say that I'm not looking to be shorting any kind of a move right here. We are creating such a big uptrend. We are even creating a parabolic uptrend right here. So I'm not looking to be shorting this. Rather, if we are going to be creating some kind of a momentum shift towards the downside, I'm going to be looking forward to be longing and buying up the dip. Okay, but the real question is going to be, why am I starting to get a little bit more cautious? Because I have been so bullish on the Bitcoin price for the past couple of weeks. Tether has been getting printed like crazy, of course. Well, it is going to be a number of reasons. First of all, we hit our first take profit area of our weekly resistance coming off this previous drop-off point, which is definitely going to be huge resistance for the Bitcoin price. Now, second of all, on the daily time frame, we are creating some kind of a bearish divergence on the RSI indicator. And third of all, we are creating, of course, this parabolic uptrend, but to all good things, there will be an end. And whenever we are going to be breaking this parabolic structure, well, then we are going to be seeing a further rejection and further correction. Fourth of all, yes, we are seeing right now that liquidity towards that top side has actually already been taken, and we do not see a lot of more liquidity towards the top side. We actually rather see more liquidity towards the downside. So this is once again worrying me, and that is once again why I do want to be seeing, first of all, either a consolidation right here or some kind of a correction to build up more liquidity towards that top side, because we do know that Bitcoin is going after the liquidity. The market always follows the liquidity, and right now we are seeing that better than ever happening. And one of the last points is that we are currently creating that CME gap on that top side. The market is currently pumping on a weekend, which is actually not a very good thing we want to be seeing. Yes, we can be seeing this huge premium on the CME futures chart, so potentially we might not even create any kind of a CME gap over here, but we will need to have a look into what's that exactly in the opening of next week. Okay, so yeah, in the longer term trend, definitely Bitcoin's price action is looking very good. On this weekly time frame, we can still see that we are headed towards this 41k level, and that is going to be our midterm target. But just in the imminent short term, well, we might be expecting some kind of a consolidation over here, and I rather want to be getting a little bit more cautious. I don't want to be recklessly FOMOing in towards the Bitcoin price right now. I rather want to be a little bit more cautious right here. I'm not looking in towards shorting the current Bitcoin price, but I'm also not looking forward to recklessly enter long positions over here. Okay, so do keep that in mind. To all good things, there will come an end. And if we are going to be getting some kind of correction, I'm looking forward to be once again longing the Bitcoin price on this retest of this previous resistance, right now turning in towards support. If we can be retesting this 37.8k or 38k level, well then definitely I'm looking forward in towards buying that dip. Because, well, the greater trend is of course towards the upside. This bull market signal just flashed, and guys, if you do want to be as well trading the Bitcoin market, make sure to be clicking on that first link in the description, because you can right now claim still a free $1,000 on Bybit. You can try out the exchange completely for free, risk-free, by actually only depositing $100, and you can be withdrawing all of your money after you've taken this position. So make sure to claim your free position on either Bitcoin or on Ethereum by clicking on that first link in the description. So make sure to do that. And you might be asking yourself, well, why should I be taking this Ethereum position? And basically it is because Ethereum is right now breaking out outside of this weekly resistance. Potentially Ethereum is going to be a better bet than Bitcoin is going to be, because having a look into what's that Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, well, yes, we are creating that consolidation period at our current support level. So this is going to be indicating me if we are going to be seeing this bounce from of this support level, or if we are going to be breaking down below. If we are going to be seeing this bounce and break out towards the upside, well then definitely I'm rather going to be taking this Ethereum position. One thing to do keep in mind is that Ethereum is right now finally breaking out outside of this resistance, and Bitcoin has already done so. So potentially we can be seeing that Ethereum has going to be making up for all of the gains that Bitcoin already made, because Bitcoin already broke back in towards this bull market territory, but Ethereum is just doing that right now. So guys, with that being said, a little bit of a shorter update video today, but if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.